Hi hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Gani on the Stonefish channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you that I just made a tools to easily copying YouTube transcript. Actually, there are a bunch tools out there, Chrome extension, from ChatGPT and anything. There are very bunch of tools out there to interact with YouTube transcript. But for me, commonly or usually I just copying manually, and then I realized I could make some tools to make it really fast that previously maybe it took 6 to 7 clicks to generate the copying the transcript, but now I just need 2 clicks to copying the transcript. But before we go there, I have to tell you that why it is important. First one, this particular video I creating by copying transcript and then put it into the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to make it SEO friendly from of the title, and then of course about the description. So that's important. First one, to creating title and description and so etc etc. And then the second thing, I can check my competitors. So if I have competitors on this YouTube or the same YouTuber, same content creator on same niche, sometimes I don't have time. Commonly, mostly I don't have time to watch their videos, so I just copy the transcript and then go to the ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT what they talk about, and then what kind of content that I could make in the future, or I should make in the future that's related to my niche, and so on and so on and so on. So that's really important to copying transcript, so I could check the competitors. And secondly, when I learn something, I could do fast learning. For instance, I'm watching the Diary of CEO. Sometimes I don't have time because the Diary of CEO, the duration is about an hour, 1.5 hour. It's really long. I don't have that time to to watch that really cool stuff, really good content. I think that sometimes I just copying the transcript and then go to the ChatGPT again and again and again. Go to the ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to make summary for me, and then please highlight from the most important things on that transcript, and then later if I have time I just jump into that minutes. That's really important. That's the three reason why copying transcript is very important for me. So here I will show you my tools, and then my usually I how I did to copying the transcript. So this is my channel. This is my channel in Indonesia. I have 32 about 30k subscribers. It's using Indonesia language. And then for instance, I will choose just random for this one. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and then after I open the link of any YouTube channel, I go to this, open the description, and then find this show transcript, and then I just drag my keyboard, or I mean my mouse, until the bottom of this transcript. It really took time. Okay, I just scroll it, blah blah blah, and then I just copy or press Ctrl C on my keyboard. It took me 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Now I have a tools to copying. Let's say I will open just random video.
We all know that editing softwares are not.
Okay, this one I'm not seeing any transcript shown before. So when I click this tools, this is the JavaScript that I inject to this web page, this particular web page. When I click on it, wait for 1 2 3, now the transcript pop up, and then I just click copying transcript, and then I good to go to my ChatGPT to paste the transcript. Easy. Previously I need about 15 seconds, but now I just need 5 seconds. Okay, that's what I did using ChatGPT. What I did creating JavaScript script to copying transcript on YouTube. So for you who want these tools, this is really easy tools, just a really simple JavaScript, please put on the comment below, or you can click the Google form on down below. Later I will email you the transcript and how to install these tools. Actually, it's not a Chrome extension. It is a Bookmarklet. What is Bookmarklet? Bookmarklet is as simple as this bookmark, but instead of link, it is a JavaScript script. See, this is the link of the bookmark. This is but not a link. Actually, this is the JavaScript or some programming that will inject this YouTube to copying the transcript. So please check on the description below. You can add, you fill in the Google form. Later I will send you email the transcript and how to install it. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow together on this YouTube journey, and hope you're doing well. See you on the next video. Bye bye.